Hello, fifth graders. So we are going to have a new way that you will be turning in your reading assignments so I can see what you have done. So when you go to classwork here, and you will have for today, for example, your introduction to reading. When you click on view assignment, I want you to right here, it says add or create. So you can create a Google Doc with your information, or you can go to your Google Drive and you can upload something that you need. So if this is what I wanted to upload, because this is what I worked on today, then I would take this and I could add it to my assignment and turn it in. So I saw a couple of you have done that already, and then you mark it as done. You don't mark it as done unless you really have something completed. So make sure you are working hard to do that. And remember, your work gets turned in here. Thank you.